In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage objectives and key results in ClickUp. Start by opening ClickUp and going to your Workspace overview, where the OKRs area is available. This overview space is a useful starting point because it keeps your objectives, key results, and planning views in one place, so you are not jumping between unrelated sections. From the overview, select OKR Planning. This is the hub for organizing OKRs, and it is where you will move between planning and progress tracking. Once you are in OKR Planning, click into Planning Activities. This view helps you focus on the work and coordination that supports your OKRs, not just the high-level goals. Next, switch the view to Board. The board layout is especially helpful when you want to manage OKR-related items visually, because it groups work into columns, so you can scan status quickly and spot anything that is stuck. If you need to return to the main OKR planning area from here, click OKR Planning again, so you are back in the broader planning context. Now choose the time frame you are working in by selecting CY 2026. Setting the correct year keeps your objectives and reporting aligned, which is important when you review progress later and want consistent data. After that, click Objectives. This brings you directly to where objectives are organized, so you can focus on the outcomes you are trying to achieve. From within Objectives, open the Progress Board view. This view is designed for tracking how objectives and their supporting work are moving forward, and it gives you a clear snapshot without needing to open every item individually. If Progress Board appears again as an option in the area you are viewing, click Progress Board there as well to make sure you are fully in the dedicated Progress Board workspace. With the Progress Board open, use the timeframe filters to review what matters right now. Click this quarter to see the current quarter view, then click Next Quarter to shift your focus to what is coming up. This is a practical way to keep planning and execution connected, because you can compare what is in motion with what needs to be prepared soon. Finally, click Timeline. The timeline view is ideal for understanding scheduling at a glance, since it lays out work across time and makes overlaps and gaps easier to notice. That covers everything you need to know.